guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dana Williams, and a few of you asked what some of my favorite comfort foods were, so today I'm going to make a grilled cheese with green apple. The ingredients I'm using today are cheddar cheese, 2 slices of bread, butter, and green apple. Make sure the butter is at room temperature so it's easy to spread. And I'm using cheddar cheese, but you can use your favorite kind of cheese. And make sure you're using a no-stick pan. I'm going to start by putting butter on the outer layer of what will be the sandwich. So make sure your butter is room temperature so that it is easy to spread. I think that it's better to put butter directly onto the bread because then it will toast more evenly. Next I'm going to cut, I don't know how to say it in my own voice. Next I'm going to cut the apple into thin slices. Now I'm going to put the bread butter side down on medium-low heat. Now I'll add 2 slices of cheese to 1 piece of bread. And I'm going to put a couple of slices of apple on the other piece of bread. Now I'm going to cover the pan for about 1 minute before I put the pieces of bread together. I put the pieces of bread together and I'm going to cook it until either side is golden brown for about, I think that would probably be about 1 minute on each side, depending on how hot your stove is. And now my grilled cheese is ready to eat. So good. I was really hungry. Thanks for watching. Let me know how your grilled cheese turned out. Feel free to let me know in the comment section if there's anything else you'd like to learn how to cook with me. Check out what song is playing throughout this video in the description.